Hi guys, welcome back to Filmy Fitness. I hope you and your family is safe and doing well. It's week 2, day 11 of our 10 weeks lean body challenge, and today we will be doing superset abs workout. We will start with the warm up, hanging leg raises and wall sit. Concentrate the effort in the abs and hip flexors. Don't swing to raise your legs with body momentum. Avoid swinging or swaying. Wall sit, also known as wall squats, are a great way to build strength and endurance in your glutes, calves, quads, and even your abdominal muscles. We will start with our first superset, that is battle rope and half leg left half crunch. Along with increased strength and fat loss, battle ropes provide an intense cardio workout. It is a strength-based exercise that uses your body weight to isolate the core area. One of the functional benefits of battle rope is that they boost your range of motion. It targets the abdominal muscles, tone down the obliques, strengthen your back muscles, and challenge the entire core. It works on your quadriceps and hamstring at the same time. Do not strain your neck at any point in the movement. Your neck remains relaxed. Moving on to the second superset, that is sledgehammer, abs wheel workout and leg raises. When you perform a chop movement, you move the sledgehammer in a diagonal manner across your body. Ab wheel rollout provide a better ab workout than traditional flexion exercise, creating stronger and more defined abs. Incorporating exercises that are convenient like leg raises is time saving, at the same time effective, and is the best way to fitness. Because sledgehammers are heavy, your forearms stay contracted during sledgehammer's workout. Start by coming on your hands and knees, roll forward and contract your abs. Hold your form tight, don't let your back arc. Hold the position for 2-3 seconds. Begin with a few slow repetition. Return to the starting position. Make sure that you are using your abs to pull yourself back. You may also use your arms, your shoulders and your lats. Try not to use your hips. Leg raises are strength training exercise that can help you build core while lying down. It improves flexibility, enhances balance and stability. Moving on to the third superset, that is cable crunch and decline reverse crunch. Just make sure that you don't go overboard with the cable crunches. Perform this move at most twice a week because your abs need time to recover from it. The decline angle increases difficulty. This is a great ab burnout move. Cable crunches are undoubtedly extremely effective at building and shredding abs. They allow for muscle growth that you would not have achieved if you stick to typical ab exercises like sit-ups. Pair well with the other ab movement in a circuit. Moving on to the next superset, that is TRX oblique crunch and step-ups. Crunches on the TRX requires you to engage not only your main abdominal muscles but also the small stabilizing muscle in your core. Step-ups will work to balance both legs as well as building better mind-muscle connection. If you want to make this exercise harder, then perform the oblique crunch at slow pace. It will develop strength and stability through the lower body and core. The hardest part is controlling the movement of your hips, knees and ankle as you step up. The benefit of step-ups that it improve balance, increase your squat and deadlift strength, save your lower back and develop explosive leg power. Next superset is wood chopper and hanging leg raises. The cable wood chop uses a cable rack and a single cable to stimulate a wood chopping action. You can add this exercise to an advanced core workout. It builds strength and power in the core and obliques. The effects you can get depends on how far you are able to raise your legs, but you will feel your abdominals working hard at just about any stage. The wood chop also engages the muscle of your back, shoulder and legs. Don't keep your shoulder hunched and lower your legs slow. The final superset are oblique crunch with hyperbench and incline sit-ups. You can target your external oblique muscle idly. Doing sit-ups on an incline bench are more effective than regular sit-ups, as there is a wider range of motion. Although it's a rather advanced movement, so I don't recommend it for beginners. Beginner can do exercises on the floor instead, such as oblique crunch or standing side crunch with a light dumbbell. Make sure your abs stay tightened and your back is straight. You should raise up until your upper body is completely vertical. After you are done with the set, flip your body over to work the other oblique. You should slowly lower your body until the back of your shoulder touch the bench. People generally ask me if doing abs workout burn belly fat. There is no ab roller, any device, tea or exercise that will give you a flat stomach. The best exercise to decrease belly fat is pushing yourself away from the table and off the couch. See you on Monday with our new week, that is third week. Thank you for joining. Stay home, stay fit.